In a quiet corner of Bacoor, Cavite, Philippines, a little girl was born on a warm day in 1989. She was the second daughter of Jerry and Ched Alintanahin, tiny, quiet, and gentle from the very beginning. They named her Kate. Kate grew up with a tender soul, introverted, thoughtful, always closest to home and to her family. She found joy in quiet corners and deeper meaning in simple moments. Her world was small, but it was full of love.
So 1, 2, 3, take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine.
In the very same year, across the small municipality of Malasiqui, Pangasinan, a boy came into the world with an energy that could barely be contained. His name was Mark. Unlike Kate, Mark was all light and movement, curious, playful, and always in motion. Raised by his parents and deeply loved by his grandmother, he quickly became her favorite. He ran through life with open arms, while Kate quietly watched hers unfold. Two completely different childhoods, two lives running their own separate paths. Kate chose to follow the noble call of caregiving, becoming a nurse. Her first adventure took her far from home, to Abu Dhabi. It was there she began to write her own chapter of independence and quiet courage. Mark, too, became a nurse, his journey taking him to the green landscapes of Papua New Guinea, helping others with the same energy he had carried since childhood. Eventually, Kate sought a new dream, the American dream, starting a new life in Pennsylvania, still rooted in care, still grounded in kindness. Mark, on the other hand, chose to be closer to home, this time with his brother, aunt, and cousins in Toronto, Canada. Family was always his North Star.
Happy times together we spending.
Then came the year 2022. At the border where two great countries meet, Canada and the United States, there were no boundaries that day. In Niagara Falls, under mist and magic, fate stepped in. Through a common friend and a well-timed match, Mark met Kate. Two hearts from opposite worlds, quiet and loud, calm and vibrant, finally found each other. In that moment, the years of distance, of wandering, of waiting, made sense. They laughed easily. Conversations flowed like they had known each other forever. A love that was once oceans apart now lived between shared coffees, long drives, and endless messages.
Here comes the sun, and I say, it's alright.
In December 2024, under the sparkling lights of Montreal, Quebec, Mark dropped to one knee. With snow around them, and the world standing still, he asked her the question that would change everything. And Kate said yes. From Bacoor to Malasiqui, Abu Dhabi to Papua New Guinea, Pennsylvania to Toronto, every road they took, every turn, every detour, led to this love story. Today, we don't just celebrate a wedding, we celebrate fate, friendship, family, and two beautiful hearts that waited patiently to finally find home in each other. This is the beginning of always.
Anak, unang-una magpapasalamat tayo sa Panginoon Diyos kasi binigyan ka ng makakasama mo habang buhay. Walang iba kundi si Kate. Dapat magmahalan kayo ng mabuti, huwag kayong maghiwalay kailanman. Ngayon, sa oras na ito, yung kasal, dapat may respeto sa isa't isa. Sa mga magiging biyanan mo, sa mga bisita, at ang importante sa lahat, yung magiging asawa mo habang buhay. Walang iba kundi Kate. Kate, wag mong hayain si Mac na lalayo sa paningin mo. Dapat lagi kayong magkakasama. Kahit saan man kayo pupunta, lagi kayong magkakasama. At pangalawa, gusto kong magkaroon ng apo. Dapat bigyan mo na si Mac na magiging anak niyong dalawa. Kasi gusto ko na rin may apo. Si Nikki mayroon na, si Tulin mayroon na, at kayo nang huli. Baka magiging kambal ang magiging anak ninyong dalawa. Anak, at sa bagong manugang ko, congratulations, mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa.
Congratulations, Kate and Mark.
Wish we could be there on your wedding day, but we are looking forward to bond with you both soon.
And I wish you can give me a baby cousin.
Hi, Sisi. I really wish I could hug you tight now and see how beautiful you are on your wedding dress. You've been a very loving, caring, and thoughtful sister and pinang to Justin. And my heart is filled with so much joy because finally you found someone who will love and take care of you for the rest of your life.
Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. We love you.
Hello! Sending our warmest message! Congratulations sa inyong dalawa! Bayaw, don't forget, happy wife, happy life.
Yes.
Cheers to your forever. And hoping sa susunod, tatlo na kayo. Again, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Ferrer.
And Kuya, I'm so happy that you found your forever sa tinagal-tagal ng paghahanap mo. No, not pa kitang mag-asawa, but kidding aside, a little piece of advice from a married couple. Marriage is full of laughter, compromise, and there will be a time na maiinis ka or maiinis kayong dalawa sa isa't isa. But at the end of the day, always choose each other. And Kuya, you've been a great brother to me and a responsible one. So I know you will be an even better husband and a great future father to your kids. So wishing you Ate Kate and wishing you and Ate Kate a lifetime of love, laughter, and a little bit of weirdness. Minsan kailangan natin yon. And yun lang, congratulations to the both of you, and I can wait to see Ate Kate in person.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Tita Madoy. At Tita Kate.
Hi, Kate and Mark. Congratulations and best wishes. Thank you for choosing us to be your ninang and ninang.
Sayang, hindi kami nakarating dyan to witness your wedding.
But we're looking forward to the day you will come home.
Mark, welcome to our big, happy family. Mahalin mo si Kate. She's one of my best and most beloved nieces. Married life is tough. Arguments may often come. But please try to understand and support each other rather than winning the argument.
See you soon. Congrats! Hi Kate and Jello! Congratulations and welcome to the club. So, wish for more babies to come. Meron lang akong simpleng advice. Kami bilang mag-asawa. Natatandaan ko. Kasi, usually kasi pag mag-asawa, normal kasi na minsan magkaroon tampuhan, away, wala naman kasing perfect na couple. So, kung ang isa ay fire, gawan na para ng isa ay dapat maging water. Kasi kapag nag-ignite yung fire at pares na fire, talagang liliyab yan. Mas mauwi sa hindi magandang pag-uusap or minsan hiwalayan. So as much as possible, kailangan talagang pakumbaba ang isa. Para kung gusto magkaroon ng matibay na relasyon. At the same time, kung meron kayo nilang pagkasunod, pag-usapan ninyo ng maayos. Kami nila, we're not perfect. Pero as much as possible, pinag-usapan namin kung ano hindi namin kasunduan. So at the end of the day, naayos naman namin. So sana ganun din kayo. So gusto namin na magkaroon kayo ng masayang relasyon at syempre maraming anak at the same time masayang buhay bilang mag-asawa.
Very proud kami kasi ginawa nyo kami ninong-ninang. Alam mo naman, Jello, no? We are so close din naman dito sa ating negosyo back then in Papua New Guinea. And we're so happy and we're so proud, no? Na nandyan ka na ngayon sa Canada at you met na ang iyong forever na si Kate. And again, congratulations. We wish you all the best, no, sa inyong pagiging married. And we hope na mas maging matagumpay kayo sa inyong mga career dyan sa America and sa Canada. And sana magkita-kita tayo ulit, no? In the near future, patuloy lang kayo magmahalan mula ngayon hanggang sa darating na panahon. Congratulations and have a happy married life.
Yes, best wishes. Bye.
Surprise! Congratulations, Mark and Kate, and wishing you both a lifetime full of laughter, love, and happiness as you embark the new chapter of your life. And Kate, I'm so happy for you that finally binigay na ni Lord ang tamang tao para sa'yo. Lagi kong pinagpipray yun kay Lord na sana dumating ang panahon na maibigay ni Papa God ang tamang tao para sa'yo na magpapaligaya sa'yo at makakasama mo habang buhay. And to Mark, welcome to Alintanahin family. We hope to see you soon. And again, congratulations. See you soon, guys.